अच्छा, talking about गर्मी, you gave that step to Nora?
I did. हम यही कर रहे थे, हम यही वाला कर रहे थे. And
हाँ.
then I'm looking at Nora and going, हमारे पास नौरा है, हम क्या कर रहे हैं? मतलब if a man who's a choreographer says, they will just accept without an explanation. But then I'll have to sit there and give an explanation for the same thing.
What's coming next?
Hiramandi. Also, I'm very excited to, also work with Anupam Kher.
Dance, dance, dance with Buddy. Dance with Buddy.
So this is season 2 of Dance with Me Pari, and with me today, National Award winning choreographer Kruti Maher.
Hi, Pari.
Hi, how are you?
Fantastic. How are you?
Good. कैसा लगता है when people address you now as National Award winning choreographer?
It's it's a little scary.
अच्छा?
It is, because everyone ends up saying, at such a young age you've got the award. I get it where they're coming from, but I'm not young. I'm almost going to be 40, so I'm not young. Having said that, it does come with a lot of responsibility, I think, to keep doing good work, which people can look up to, even if it doesn't win any more awards, but they can still enjoy it and they can still remember it. So, डर तो लगता है, but I still have friends who mock me about this award also. रास्ते पे चलते चलते like national award. Guys, y'all are ridiculous. That also happens. But yeah, it is. It's very prestigious. It is very humbling, and acknowledgement है ना, कुछ अच्छा काम किया है तो उसका. So it's a feel good, of course.
Has anything changed after this award?
I don't think so.
नहीं.
नहीं, मम्मी उतना ही देर पे आने पे डांटती हैं, वही सब हो रहा है. But at the same time, no, not really. I don't think many people also know it. A lot, I don't know. A lot of people still don't know I have been the choreographer for Ghumar. So yeah, the baggage of the award comes much later. So yeah.
I remember Bosco, so कुछ दिन पहले उन्होंने एक post डाला था how choreographers even today are not credited. Well, you think that's there too?
It is, of course, it is there. It's really sad also to some extent, because naam to aa jata hai. A lot of people still are unnamed. So when you see a song, that's the whole idea of a choreographer, right? Because he's giving you the audio visual of what the audio is. He's giving you that visual. तो हम जब गाने क्लब में भी सुनते हैं, हम स्टेप्स करते हैं. हम गाते तो जरूर है, लेकिन स्टेप्स करते हैं. So there is a recall value for the step, and which needs to be credited to the choreographer for any song. So I think it is very important to credit all technicians involved in making a song super hit, and that obviously includes choreographer at the top after the director, I think.
Yeah.
And that's sadly still a situation where we're all fighting for.
Go back into flashback a
Okay.
little, okay, and let's talk about how your bachpan was. बेटा डांस करके दिखाना था.
Of course, tha. I come from a Tambram family. Singing and dancing is a part of our culture. पढ़ाई तो of course रोज करना ही पड़ता है, but singing and dancing had to be there. So दशहरा जब होता था, I remember my nani and nana used to send us to different houses, and Tambrams में ये होता है that we keep something called gulu, which is like steps, और उस पे हम भगवान की मूर्तियाँ, idols, and some. It's quite fun and quite cute. So you have to go there, you have to sit in front of the gulu, and you have to sing and dance. And then they will give you आशीर्वाद, प्रसाद, and all of that. तो बचपन से ही हम रिश्वत गा के नाचते थे, and that used to happen.
I remember last time जब हमने बात की थी, you did tell me about the immense family support that has been there with you. Was it always like this? At any point did they ask you or did they question you कि बेटा तुम ठीक तो कर रही हो ना? You think you're going to make it?
Funnily enough, so I went to London to study forensics. So I have a master's in forensics. I wanted to become an investigating officer. I wanted to get into criminal investigation, and that was the whole idea of doing forensic science. I remember my dad, even before I took the admission, he said, "What are you doing? You should be in performing arts. What are you doing this for? I'm like, no, Dad, I really want to do this. So my dad has been the one who's, always pushed me to pursue this more than anybody else in my family. And even when I came back because of his health condition, um, हमें याद है DID season 1 चल रहा था तब, and he was under bed rest. So I used to sit with him and we used to watch the show together. And then I remember him looking at one of the performances on DID 1 and looking at me and saying, you should do this. I'm like, इतना खर्चा करके, इतना time पढ़ाई करके, you're telling me to do this? He's like, you should. And unfortunately, the very next year, he passed away. So when DID2 auditions happened, I said, might as well just give it a go. क्या ही होगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ना बोलेंगे, वापस आके I'll start working. Big deal. So yeah, and then that's how DID2 happened. So I credit all of this to my dad because he's been the one who's always pushed me to do this and pursue this as a career because he saw how I enjoyed dancing and creating. So he said, you should be doing this. And very few people are lucky enough to have a family who's constantly supporting them in the right direction. So I'm
Yeah.
one of the few.
Yeah. When you won the national award, us din, were you emotional?
Of course I was. More than me, my mum and Masi had come. And they alone stood up and they were clicking pictures. And I was like, and of course I miss my dad, but I'm sure he somewhere shining a smile on me and being very proud of me. But yeah, it was very, very emotional because everything that I enjoy today is because my dad kept pushing me for it.
DID, I think, do you consider that like your breakthrough moment? Because I think uske baad hi everything happened, right?
Yes, of course. It just reminded me of why I love dance and why dance loves me. And that was the point where I got to meet amazing people and friends like Shakti and Puneet and Dharmesh, and mentors like Geeta Ma, Terence, and Remo sir. And that's when Remo sir kind of asked if I would be a part of his team. And the first time I was on a film set was Balam Pichkari, and for me, that was the moment where I said, I love this. I don't care what I do, but I love being on a film set because this is magical. This is where dreams turn into reality and where you can make people see a story and not just hear it, and it's just magical. I think that was more of a breakthrough moment than DID, but yeah, DID led to that.
Balam Pichkari. Not many people know that आप उस गाने का part रहे हो in a way, right? Not many people, in fact, know that you were a part of Remo sir's team, है ना? And उसमें, while doing that, you've done a lot. Diwani Mastani, come on, let's talk about that. I see Kruti in that choreography. Let's just be honest. I know कि ये Kruti का कमाल है. Talk to me about that experience, that whole. कितने साल रहे आप रेमो सर के साथ?
About 6.5 years.
6.5 years. Songs that you've been a part of, कौन से गाने रहे हैं वो? Let's tell the audience today.
It started with Balam Pichkari. Then I was a part of 2 States ka gana. Iski uski kaun kiski yara da iman whiskey. That song. That's the first time I made Alia do little bit of Bharatnatyam, which was not that great, but it was okay. But that song was fun. Then Chal Beta Selfie Le Le Ta 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 Ta, that one. So many more, I can't think of. Then obviously Baji Rao, so it was Pinga and Mastani. Then there was Aaj Ki Party Meri, that one.
Wow.
At the top of, and of course Sir's films. So ABCD2, Sun Satya, he let me choreograph that song along with Dharmesh. So Sun Satya has been my actual first choreography. ABCD2 के almost सारे गानों के part थी मैं. I was a part of all of the songs. ABCD1 में गणपति का song, I was part of that for a little bit.
Okay.
Then obviously Street Dancer, Rahul and me were the whole part of it. There's Flying Jet, there's Race 3. Yeah.
Race 3 के सारे गाने हैं, I think, ना? All songs of Race 3. अच्छा, talking about Garmi, you gave that step to Nora.
I remember because my DOP is on that film was Vijay Arora. We call him Dadu, and he's quite a senior and experienced DOP. तो उनके सामने ना मैं ज़्यादा बात नहीं करती वैसे भी. So when we were doing the rehearsals, camera, तो sir ने बोला चलो we'll do this section. So I said all of that happened and then this started and I was doing the rehearsal. I finished that and I kept quietly came and stood. And then Dadu kept the camera niche. And then he looked at me and goes, ये step किसने बनाया? And I was so scared. I said, now he's just going to say, क्या कर रहे हो तुम? I just was so scared. I looked at him. I said, हाँ दादू, मैंने बनाया. Super hit. And I was like, okay, I'm just going to walk away now. I'm just going to take that and walk away. But then, yeah. So coming from him, who has seen so many decades of films, I think that itself was an award on some level for me.
Yeah, and then क्या हुआ उसका मतलब it became like a viral. Everybody is doing that. चाहे वो dancer हो, non-dancer हो, boy, girl, everybody started doing that. It was crazy.
That came up one day before the shoot.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
हम यही कर रहे थे, हम यही वाला कर रहे थे. And
हाँ.
then I'm looking at Nora and going, हमारे पास नौरा है, हम क्या कर रहे हैं मतलब. She also looks at me, she goes, can we do something more? I said, yeah, wait.
Yeah.
And then it took about an hour.
अच्छा, so 6.5 years of being with Remo. So when did you decide कि अब independently करते हैं?
So ऐसा कुछ था नहीं दिमाग में, to be very honest. I was a part of a TV show called DID Little Masters, where I was a skipper. तो उसके दौरान I got a call from Sanjay Leela Bhansali's office. This was in 2012. They were at that point shooting for Ram Leela. And I was still on and off with Remo sir, some projects. When I was not on TV, I was working with him. So he called me and very intimidating meeting happened and I was like, ये क्या हो रहा है? All of that reaction happened. And then he was supposed to give me a song, which he did give me a CD. But then it was taken right away before I could hear it. And they said, आपको call आएगा. I said, okay, fine. I thought I've lost the opportunity. अब ये life में नहीं होने वाला. Again, a few weeks later, I get a call from their AD saying that sir's called you to Kutch for 15 days. And at that point, I was doing another TV show, which I'd already signed contracts for. I said, 2 weeks I can't go off because that means that 4 episodes I'll be off. And TV, when you sign contracts, it's... I said, I don't want to get into legal issues. I don't have the money to get into that. So I said, I really cannot. So again, they were like, okay, fine, we'll get back to you. I said, Gaya, मेरे मौके जा ही रहे, मेरे हाथ से ऐसे निकलते जा रहे like sand. So I was like quite upset that I couldn't do it. And then while I was assisting Remo sir, when he got a call for Baji Rao and the first day of rehearsals. Now this is almost after 2.5 years after that meeting. Ab someone of a stature of Sanjay Leela Bhansali who probably meets like so many people on a day-to-day basis. ना इनको मैं कहाँ याद रहूँगी, मैं एक मीटिंग करी है इनके साथ. And I'm rehearsing and so they came to see the choreography and Remo sir standing, Sanjay sir standing. So he enters, he kept looking at me. I'm like, oh God, I'm not gonna look. He points out at me and goes, you had come for a meeting for Ram Leela. And I'm like, oh my God, this man remembers.
Wow.
So, yeah. And during the filming of Mastani is when he said, you don't want to work with me, right? I said, why would anyone not want to work with you? Said, you said, no, you can't do that song when asked during Ram Leela. I said, no, sir, I was under a contract. And I genuinely don't have the money to fight legal cases. So I said, I really can't leave. He said, theek hai. And after the filming of that song, he said, would you be interested in, doing a song for me? I said, of course, why not? And I very clearly remember going up to Remo sir and saying that I've got this. Can I do it? He said, of course you should. And I don't think I would have survived in this industry if I would have not been a part of Remo sir's team.
उसके बाद once it started, it went on, right? Back to back. Abhi bhi! There is Hira Mandi coming up. Like, come on. what is this wonderful association with SLB sir?
It's just been wonderful to be on his set, watching him create the films on his canvas. I don't think any other director in India today does. So I let him breathe in his creative space. I don't say कि नहीं ये हमारी choreography ऐसे लो. Now he's a director. He knows what he wants. So I'm not going to argue with that. I give him what he needs. But at the same time, there is something that is my flavor to it. So I'll try to stick to that while I am giving him what he needs. So that's a challenge which I have. That's something that I have learned over the years to do. तो ऐसे ढोलीडा के वक्त भी हुआ था where he had loved this step, but I remember while we were filming, he said और कुछ हो सकता है, and I looked at him and said, then I thought to myself, क्यों नहीं? Of course हो सकता है. Because at the end of it, it's that, right? I don't want him to think this is it. Because if I also start putting full stops to things, there is never going to be a process to go ahead with. So I said, of course, ho sakta hai. And we tried a lot of things. And we shot also something else. Then I went back to him. I said, एक बार अब ये वाला try करें. So he looked at me and said, ठीक है. And it just worked. So I know I don't want to stop anybody's creative process, but at the same time, I know what's right for that musicality. So that's, yeah.
Hira Mandiari, I think we cannot not talk about this. Sanjay Leela Bhansali sir की film है, grand, such wonderful women as a part of the star cast, and it's been choreographed by you. कैसे आई ये film? फिर से संजय सर ने call किया?
No, I think at one point he just has started assuming that I'm going to be there, which is great. I think it's
Yeah, of
amazing.
course.
So he said Hira Mandi. Oh, I said, great. Again, I didn't know how many songs I'm doing. I never ask him, and it's something that I've always been okay with. Okay, I'm sure if he needs me, he will call me for it, and if he sees someone else more suitable, he will go ahead with him. I will never question his process. So he called me, and I remember the first song he gave me was there's a song which is Mujra, Aditi ka Mujra hai, and I said, this is beautiful. Like पंडित जी के टाइम से मतलब उनके कोरियोग्राफीज हम देखते थे SLB के फिल्मों में, and I've seen Panditji otherwise also. I've never got the chance to work with him or train under him, but that is just legendary. I said, अब मुजरा करना है. I don't know if I fit into those shoes. They're such big shoes. It's a task and responsibility. I was very scared. I said, bhai. And when you say Hira Mandi, I know there are going to be more mujras than anything else. I was like, bhai, it's going to be a task. But it went decently well, I think.
It's yet to come out now,
Yeah.
that song. But the one that's come out, talk about that.
Tilasmi has been my favorite. Has been my favorite. And there's one which is Richa's song, which has not come out yet. That has been my second favorite in the series. So yeah, I'm just waiting for all the songs to come.
क्या USP है SLB sir की? You've worked with so many directors now. What is that one thing that makes him SLB?
His storytelling is not just the actor. His storytelling is this frame. So ये frame में अगर यहाँ पे pillar है, उसका भी एक reason है, उसका भी एक वजूद है उस frame में. And that entire thing is story. So he will not create a frame where one safety pin भी is useless. सबका एक use है, सबका एक importance है, and that is, and they're all inspired, I think, by beautiful films from the past era, from lovely directors, and a lot of paintings. I think he just gets inspired by actors and characters from the era back then, and he loves art. This is the intricate details of things. तो वो आपको उनके कॉस्ट्यूम्स में भी दिखाई देंगे, हाथों के मेहंदी में भी दिखाई देगी. You know, those kind of things. He's all the devil is in the detail. So everything in the frame is detail oriented और सब एक कहानी बता रही है. So I think that is his USP.
Okay, coming back to you, what a wonderful span of like so many years of just doing what you love, right? What has been your biggest challenge in trying to make it as a choreographer? Something जो आपको लगता है आपको जो देख रहे हैं, people will be able to take away from that.
Every film set has been a different challenge. But most of all, I do get an obstacle being a woman is not really. It does come with its pros and cons. So yeah, that's something that I have to put myself out there and say it's not gender based. It's my work that will speak for you. So yeah, that on some sets becomes a challenge.
In what
Otherwise,
way?
Many ways, yeah. As in, abhi, same things if a man who's a choreographer says, they will just accept without an explanation. But then I'll have to sit there and give an explanation for the same thing. That happens on a few sets, not on every set, because I've also had the pleasure to work with some brilliant directors who didn't see all of this. They saw much beyond all of that. So I've been blessed on those manners. But there have been some sets which I don't want to name.
Of course.
But it comes with the package. I mean, and I've made my peace with it that it's okay.
What's coming next?
Hiramandi. Also, I'm very excited to also work with Anupam Kher sir. Anupam sir is directing a film. He's also acting in it, and I think I just fell in love with the concept of it. There's hardly any dancing in the film, and there are more montages. It's storytelling, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be a part of it.
Who's been your dancing inspiration? Hamesha se.
So, Vaijanti Malaji, she's splendid. Wahida Rahmanji, Sarojji, the way she's created a range of choreography for Bollywood, for Indian cinema, I don't think anybody has done that. And she's the epitome of Bollywood. Madhuri ma'am, Michael Jackson, of course. बहुत लोग हैं और Shobna is a dancer. Then Mrinalini Sarabhai, too many people.
Too many.
Yeah. I see someone who's so good, I'm like inspired. I'm like, kitna acha hai yaar. I get very easily inspired.
But thank you so much, Shruti. It was so lovely talking to you.
Happy International Dance Day to you and to all of you who are watching.
Thank you.
Radio Nasha.